Have you been looking for ways on how to create like high impact courses and you want to know exactly how to prepare a script for your course videos? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a mind map and I'm going to walk you through 10 steps on how to really plan and script out a video. It is not about how much of knowledge you have, it is about how you present that knowledge to your students. Now in my courses, I have more than 50% completion rate and an extremely high retention rate, which is 10 times industry average, because I plan all my videos in a particular way. So first I'm going to be sharing with you the concepts. Let's get into the mind map. I'm going to share with you some important concepts that you need to understand before you even start scripting your courses, your video courses. 2 is I'm going to give you the template that I follow. And number 3 is your next step. I have some gifts towards the end that I want to give you if you stay till the end. Okay, so if you're here watching, my name is Siddharth Raj Shekhar. I am the founder of the Internet Lifestyle Hub. We are a community of over 14,000 course creators and knowledge givers. And many of them have been able to get phenomenal results launching their courses because of applying this model over here and making it more engaged and interactive. Right now we are seeing schools going online, colleges are going online. Everyone is in this whole mode of launching their knowledge business in various formats. Now, whether you're creating a course or you're doing like a workshop or you're doing any kind of training, you can apply these scripts even over there. Okay, because this is more about how you're able to put yourself out there to connect with an audience on a deeper level than just giving them information, and also make it very engaging and interactive. So take notes and let's dive in. Okay, so what I want to do is I'm going to jump into the mind map straight and let's get into the concepts. The first concept that I want to share with you is when you are planning the video script for your courses, you need to think in terms of micro learning, or in other words, chunking your information into smaller segments, because the attention span of people are very, very low. Okay. Most people don't have the attention to spend more than 15 minutes or 20 minutes in a video. So even if you have a longer concept that you want to share, break it down into 3-minute, 4-minute videos. Most of my videos are very short in duration and I like to keep it crisp and clean without really beating around the bush too much. Okay, so you need to be in a point shooter style of teaching, chunk it down, break it into smaller elements to make it more effective. Only then you'll have a higher completion rate of your courses. The problem with the course industry is, people who buy courses on Udemy and Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, all these different places, they really don't complete the courses. Only 5% of people complete the courses because of this one problem of most course creators not chunking it down. Okay, so coming over here, the first concept is micro learning. People like to get bits and pieces of information and they like it in smaller chunks, easier to consume. 2 is you need to craft a journey. When you prepare the script for your video script for your courses, don't just make a list of everything that you know and don't just put it out there. The purpose of the course is not just to give all the information. The purpose of your course is to take your students through a journey from point A to point B, and what all do they need to know on that journey is what you need to script out in your videos. Okay. The third point what I want to mention is you need to create a lot of engagement also. Okay, you need to create engagement in your videos. It's not just about, again, giving information, but how you can get a response from your students. In fact, let me show you this. I want to show something interesting. Hold on. Now, what I'm going to show you is going to blow your minds away. When it comes to engaging content, if you actually look at my screen, I'm just going to switch to my other screen right now, which is my browser screen. You can see I have more than 114,000 comments below my videos across my courses. 114,000 comments. Now, the reason I'm able to create that kind of engagement is because of the way that I've scripted the video. It is, I've scripted it in such a way that at the end of every single video, I'm able to get people to share what they learned so that, I'm able to know that they're learning, and new people who are coming and watching that video are also able to learn from each other. So these are the 3 concepts. Just to recap the concepts is when you're scripting, think in terms of micro learning and chunking, craft a journey, and keep engagement in mind. So now with this being the foundation, let's get into the 10 steps for scripting your video template. And I would like you to stay till the end of this, take notes. And if you're just here watching this and if you found this itself valuable, just hit that like button right now, because when you hit the like button, you'll get more of these videos. And please share in the comment box if the first concept is clear. Type super clear in the comment box on YouTube or on Facebook or wherever you're watching, so that I know that you are learning with me. Okay. And this is also part of my video script, what I'm recording for this YouTube video. Okay. So you need to create engagement also as a part of your video. So please type super clear in the comment box. Okay. Now let's come to the next part, which is video scripting template. So the first thing is, before you actually create a template, is you need to know how many videos do you want to have for that particular course. For example, in my level 1 course, it's a 3-day course. It's a 15 video structure where there are 5 videos per day into 3 days, 15 videos, and each video has a particular, purpose. Okay. Now, if you're not a part of my community, I would highly recommend that you join my community, because you're going to be learning this on a more detailed level once you come inside. I've given you the framework over here. You can go and implement, but once you come inside, I'm going to make you do this and have a curriculum design framework that I teach inside my community. Okay. So in the end, I'm going to give you that link. So if you see here, the first thing is you need to decide on the number of videos that need to be there and what is the purpose of each video. That also needs to be defined. Second step is you need to write catchy titles for each video. Do not just record a video saying, okay, video 1 or video 2, video 3, lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3. People need to know what is there in that lesson, and each of those titles need to be catchy. Let me show you an example of how this really works. I'm going to go into my main course right now. So if you can see my screen, this is my Freedom Business Model course, which is a 3-day course. Just check out the titles. The first one is an orientation video. Second title is how the Freedom Business Model really works. The self-discovery process to attain freedom. The ultimate textbook for coaches and experts. How to set your intentions and goals. How to make this a fail-proof journey. If you've noticed, I've used how to and what to in most of these titles. What are the top 4 skills you need? How to identify your niche. How to find and finalize your micro niche. So each of these videos, look at this. This is 5 minutes video, 9 minutes video, 10 minutes video, 3 minutes video, 6 minutes video. That's how I have structured all my videos in biteable chunks, biteable sizes, and with catchy titles. So all of you, if you're watching this on YouTube or on Facebook, type in the comment box catchy titles. Type that. Okay. Because if people are able to get attracted to that title, and when they go and watch that video itself should give them the outcome what they're looking for. So that let's come back to the mind map. When you're scripting for videos, you also need to have these other elements. You need to plan the content draft for each video. So even before I recorded each of those videos, once the titles were set, I made a plan in the form of a mind map like this on what I need to have inside that video. So my video has an intro. So I would welcome people. I would tell them what they're going to be learning in that video. Then I get into the concept within those 3 to 5 minutes of that particular topic. Then I share some stories if it is relevant, because stories help people to connect to the concept better than just giving the concept. Then I also tell them what is the outcome. There's a very tangible outcome at the end of every video. So if anyone goes through any of my videos in my courses, at the end of that video, they're able to get a tangible outcome. They can apply something then and there itself. Okay, so that's very important for you to also think about when you're creating that script. And then give a call to action. The call to action could be something like you make them do some research, or you make them share the comments below, and we'll come to that later. Okay, so planning the content draft for each video is the third part of your video scripting template. Okay, let's come back over here. So these 3 steps are like the foundation of your the video scripting process. From here, you need to go deeper into the finer elements. Okay, let's go and check out the finer elements. Number 4 is you need to then plan the resources, guides, and tools that you want to support below each video. Like in some of my videos, I give people downloadable guides. I want to just show you one of the videos where I've actually done that. Okay, now if you actually see my screen, this is one of my courses called Niche Clarity Blueprints. Okay, once you become a part of my community, I'm going to give you access to this course where you can choose your niche, especially if you're somebody who's not sure about your topic and niche. I go deep into this: business growth, career growth, health and wellness, make money. Let's say you want to help people make more money. Now under this is one of my topics, zeroing down on the method. Okay. Now below this I've given a lot of resources and guides. Like in this particular guide, I've given more than maybe 40 or 50 different ways that one can make money through these different topics: affiliate marketing, drop shipping, YouTube, mobile apps, copywriting, digital coaching. And then below this video, I've asked people to comment. Look, there are 458 comments where people have actually gone through this. They have downloaded the resource and they have decided on what is that area or what is the topic that they have chosen. Okay. And there are a few steps after that also, which I cover. But the point here is when you are planning your course videos and scripting your course videos, you need to have support guides that can help them, get that concept on a deeper level. Okay. And give them downloadables, give them resources, give them tools that makes it better. The fifth step is you can plan your background and setting for your videos. For example, this background of mine, I have 2-3 different backgrounds that I use. In fact, 2 main backgrounds. This is my daylight setting. Okay, you can see here. Let me bring back my screen here. This is my daylight setting. I have a nice ring light in front of me. I usually like to wear white in the daytimes and I wear black in the night times or other colors. So I've actually planned it in that way. And my nighttime setting, if you see my YouTube videos, they have like different colored backgrounds. Okay, I'm using different colored lighting and stuff like that. So you can plan your lighting based on what are you actually going to be sharing. Okay, your production quality will also be on that. Number 6 is you can plan even your look and your costume and your styling. And that should also be a part of your script. Now in my case, it's very, very simple. I'm not really doing too much. I either wear black or white. Okay. But if you are someone who is, you want to do more than that, you may want to have a different costume or a different attire and a different background setting for each of your different videos or different modules of your courses. You need to plan that also. Okay. So if you're wearing, let's say, a red dress, maybe you can have some other red, any complementary color items in the background. If you're wearing like a yellow dress, you can do something else that complements that. This is also a part of video scripting. Okay. The next part is you need to have the editing part of your videos. So once, let's say your videos are recorded, it's edited, it's all, you've recorded the videos, everything is done. A part of your video scripting also involves how are you going to edit the videos. And when it comes to editing, there are only a few important things. One is how are you going to be doing the intro? Okay, for example, this video you would have seen an intro, me starting something and you saw like that video background happening, a music, thumbnails, B-rolls, like you want to add like some other video B-rolls and stuff, and also outros. Like when people are finishing the video, at the end of the video, you would have like a call to action or what they can do next. This also needs to be a part of your video scripting even for your courses. Okay. Number 8 is gamification based on task completion. Now, platforms like Teachable, where I've loaded all my courses, you can actually add quizzes. You can add, point system for people to actually complete that video and submit assignments. Let me show you that. Now, if you can see my screen, this is how it looks when I've loaded my video. This is my Freedom Business Model, the second video on course. There's an option here where I can add a quiz. I can add a quiz, I can type in the question, and I can also select this and choose whether this quiz can be graded. I can choose multiple choice questions and things like that. So when you're able to gamify it, you can, it'll actually help you increase the completion rate of your courses, and you will also know who are the best performing students. Okay, now for this particular course of mine, I've not done gamification, but I have, other examples. I know some of my students have included this into their courses, and they've been able to get better completion rates, and they've been able to track which students are scoring how many points, and they are able to give away gifts, goodies, certificates, and things like that. Okay, so gamification will help improve your completion rate and also retention rate of the information. Okay, I will also mention that quiz at the end of each video. So gamification is more on the lines of what goodies you want to give them as they complete. Quiz is what is the point system that you want to have. Number 10 is building social proof below each video. I already mentioned this earlier. It's all about engagement. And just want to show you the kind of social proof that is there below just my second video of the Freedom Business Model. Let's go and check it out. So what you're seeing on the screen is the second video of the Freedom Business Model course. Okay. Now below this, because I have actually asked people to note down all their learnings and then share it below this video. If you see below, We have more than 8,000 comments. Like 18 hours ago, Rajesh has given his comment, and such a huge comment. And for him to write a comment like this, he would have taken at least 20 minutes of time. Now that shows that he has watched this video. That gives me the confidence that my students are learning, and they're learning on autopilot. Like I'm not really there physically in front of him teaching this. He's just watching my video and doing this. And you can look at this. There are so many people who are sharing their comments. And the reason you need to build social proof is because when you are building more and more social proof, when new students are going and coming and watching that video and they're watching these comments, for them, the perception is like, wow, so many people are learning, and they take the learning also more seriously. Okay. So just to recap, if you want to create like really powerful scripting for your videos, what's the title for this video? If you've been really searching on YouTube for how to write a video script for creating high impact courses, these are the 10 steps that I'm going to be doing a recap of. I'm just going to do a recap once more. Plan the total number of videos that you need. Craft catchy titles. Plan the content draft for each video in a mind map. Plan the resources and guides and tools that you need to support below each video. Decide what's going to be your background setting for your videos. Plan the look, costume, and styling. Edit your videos to make it more engaging and attractive. Like when you come into my course, you'll notice that I have an intro, outro for all my videos. Intros are definitely there for my freedom business model. Okay. Gamification based on task completion, quizzes, point system, and building social proof below each video. Now, if you found this video useful, just type super useful in the comment box if you're watching this on YouTube or Facebook, because this stuff, it works. Okay. Now, even if you're brand new in this, you have never done any courses before, if you just apply this, I can guarantee you one thing, you'll have a much higher completion rate, much higher retention rate, and much higher engagement rate as compared to any other courses that you would see in the marketplace. And people who are from the Internet Lifestyle Hub community are the ones, you'll notice that they're able to get these kind of results because of the way that the course is delivered. It is not about what they teach, it's about the way that they teach it. And more importantly, who they are as a person. Okay, that's also like the X factor. So I have some gifts for you that I want to give you access to. And if you want to get access to my gift, here are the 3 things that you need to do. First thing is this. If you have not done this yet, I would like you to hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel. I think on this side, you'll see like a red icon there on YouTube. Just click on that and you'll see the subscribe button pop. So, subscribe to this channel because only then you'll get more of this. Like this video and comment below this video on whatever you learned, okay, from this video. 2 is I want to give you my 5,999 rupee course for free because you watched this video till this end. You just need to go to sage.co/blueprint and it's a 11-part video course, and you will see how I've scripted the videos inside that. You can finish that course within 2 hours. Okay, it's a high impact course on how you can take your knowledge and make it into a super profitable business. It's called the Digital Coach Blueprint, and I'm going to give you a blueprint downloadable PDF when you get this course. And number 3 is if you're able to resonate with this content, if you're able to resonate with my teachings over here, I don't want you to think twice. Just jump on board and join my tribe. I have a special offer that's going on. If you go to sids.co/join, you'll come to a page where you can apply the special discount code that I have right now, and you can buy my level 1 course where I'm giving more than 13 courses for the price of 1. And you're not just going to buy courses. I want to invite you into my community, which is one of the fastest growing communities in the world for knowledge givers and for experts and teachers and coaches who want to scale up their business to the next level. Okay. So thank you so much once again. Cheers. God bless. And look forward to sharing more information like this in my future videos. Get started. And I'm looking forward to reading your comments and I'll reply back to them. All the best. Bye-bye.